right, so are we on? It's a good question to always ask yourself. So Sid, we're going to lower this down to whatever makes that happy. All right, now right now I hear a slow beat. That means this is a little bit low, right? Sydney, as I go up here, I hear a fast beat. I'm a little bit high. What does that mean? I'm on the money. Now that's right at the flag. I really need to know, because it's a 3-foot wide ditch. If that's the center, I need to know 18 inches below that, right? So Sydney, what do I have that I can measure with right here? I have this device right here. So 18 inches right here, 1.5 feet right there. I'm gonna take a shot. Sydney, you are going to use this. Just drop it and he's gotta grab it. You're gonna adjust this, loosen that up and raise or lower until it comes in contact with that beat. Now watch this, Sydney. Lower or raise your eyeballs until it hurts. Right? Oh, okay. Don't really do that, but okay.
It's the eyeballs, not your neck.
All right, so nice and easy. Lower it. Raise it. We're going the wrong way. Let's go up. All right, what does that mean?
I'm a little low.
You're a little low. Keep on coming. Come a little higher. Lock that in. Tighten that up. All right, now that is the ground elevation. I now need to dig, if we got a 16-inch trench depth, 16 inches deeper than that. How do I do that?
Raise it up 16
So
inches.
when in the laser world, everything's backwards. So to go deeper, I raise the receiver. So right now we've got this elevation. I need to go 16 inches higher than that. Does anybody have a tape measure on the side? We got nobody prepared.
That whole thing's a tape measure.
The backside of it, say.
If you got one, I would appreciate it because we're gonna do it right. So you can do the math, but math will get me and you in trouble.
Yeah.
Can we agree? Yeah. So if I just take a tape measure and measure 16, then I know, and I don't have to get confused on a math mistake right here. So we're gonna kind of lean it down so short people like me can play. Come over here. So we're gonna take this, and I'm gonna measure 16 inches from the top of that receiver right there. You see where that goes right there? Put your thumb right at the bottom edge of that. So move your thumb up. So what I'm saying, there you go, right there. So see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the receiver up to right there. Coming up with it, okay? Did I move you out of the way? We need to check it again.
Go up a little bit.
This is not, let's shoot it again. Get it right. Set it again. Set it back on ground and go up 16. So you gotta face it towards the laser. Spin it around. There you go. Now lower it down. Go slow, let it catch up. Lock her in. All right, now lay it down so me and you can work. Turn it over. Now I need to go 16 inches because that's our trench depth. Now I'm gonna hold my thumb. All you need to do is move that. Raise that up till the top of that touches the base of my thumb. It's right there at the top of the 9. There you go. Lock that in. Now, at his trench depth, he's giving you, if he digs and satisfies that elevation along that line of white flags right there, it will be 16 inches deep on the low side, and it will be on contour as long as he's got that whole line already shot out on contour. So where we're going next is we're going to a field, and I'm going to have you guys make these layouts to show where contour will go, okay? Now, he's going to start his trench, and that's our trench depth right there, and that's how we determine. This is what we're going to do, all right?